Okay, so with these 3 patterns that we see on the board, I hope you are more confident or more convinced as we try some of the questions later on. So let's take a look at the second page. I will not do all of them. I'll start getting some of you to write your answers on the board. Okay, we all check together. So example 1 is the case of this one. I have A plus a B. So let's try and apply the pattern to it very quickly. If it's x plus 3, it's simply x squared. Oh, do I need to give you more time? Sorry. Okay, I'll slow down for first. So I repeat the rule of thumb here. We are trying to find a pattern and we are lazy as a mathematician or trying to be one. You are lazy but precise. So the first one, x squared, x plus what? X plus 3 squared. So the first term is x squared. Now in your mind, you take the 2 times the x times the 3. What's the result? The silence is comforting yet uncomfortable at the same time. Positive 6x, and lastly, 3 squared to give you 9. Instant, it's all mental sum already from here in terms of this pattern making. Next, 3x squared. What should I get? Lauren? 3x squared is 9. 9x squared. Great. Second term. What's my second term, Kang Yu? Don't know what's going on. Yeah, almost there. The last term is a 1. So what's the result? Yeah. 3 times 2 is 6. Come on, mental sum. So the result is plus 6x. Exactly. Just do in your head already, okay? Last one, 1 squared to give you 1. That's it. My working is minimal here already from here onwards in terms of repeating and multiplying by itself. Okay? I'll do one more last one and let you try on your own. The one below. Please go through it in your head right now. 5p squared. What am I going to get? The number, I'm going to get 25, right? And the p multiplied by p is p squared. Okay? Since some of you are so shy, I'll walk next to you and then ask you, okay? On a more personal basis. What's the middle term, Dia? 2 times 10 times 2. 2 times
5.
Yeah. Okay, 2 times 5p times 2, which gives us a result of Xin What's the middle term? 2 times 5p times 2 is what? Two times 5 is then 10 times 2 20, exactly, and then 20p. And the last term is Zoe. What is 2 squared? 4. Confirm? That's it. And that's the answer already. What's 5 times 2? Okay, I repeat here. This one, how I get 5p times 2 times 2. 2 times the first term times the second term. Okay, so get the pattern into your head. Let me ask some more. I come here now. Sheng Zhong, what is 4a squared? Mentally, 4 times 4 is 16. Then the a squared. Very good. Daniel, what is the middle term?
24a.
How you get 24? Just say out.
2 times 4 times 3.
Yes, 2 times 4a times 3. In your head, 8 times 3, so 24a. Lufil, what's the last term here? 3 squared.
That's 9.
9. Okay? So I will now stop talking. Can everyone try until the second page F? Then we will review our answers here. Okay, announcement over the PA system. Please try out all the way until here. Okay, let's compare our answers later on. Okay? Any questions before we show you the last one? Okay, I think a lot of you can actually do it on your own and then refer and check with your friends. Keep it up. Okay, let's take a look at the last one. Don't worry, guys. Eventually, this video and all the answers will still be there. So, the answers won't run away. Now, last but not least, we're looking at this one over here. Where I don't repeat itself. They are not the same. But they just have that one difference of the sign. The positive and negative. So just like the concept of a zero pair, this kind of thing that you learn in Sec 1, you will actually create a simpler looking thing. So in the case of x plus 2 times x minus 2, can I have your attention? I will get, for starters, some of you not confident yet, first term squared minus the second term squared. It's always the case. So if my first term is x and my second term is a 2, that's it. The answer is as such. So the answer is simply x squared minus 4. That's all. I show you one more. Second one. This is the a, this is the b, this is the a, this is the b. So basically it's a squared minus b squared. So first term squared minus second term squared. Then I fill in the blanks. Which is x squared minus 5 squared. And then you evaluate it to be x squared minus 25. As simple as that. Okay, we call this the difference of two squares. In case you come across this term next time. Okay, something squared minus something squared, it means the difference minus of two squares. Okay, so try the rest. Yeah. Okay.